Good morning, this is Ross with ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're going to start a two-car garage, full chip, written lifetime warranty with this project. And to start with today, as you can see, we're going to have to remove this coating and open up this concrete. These are some darn big expansion joints that we're going to fill, sand first and then fill. And some cracks that we'll repair. And once we get this ground, we're gonna see really what this floor looks like. And when we fill those expansion joints, we're going to also, excuse me, see what cracks we got going on. So today we're gonna come out past the door and onto the apron with full chips. So we're all set up for our pour. Two-car garage, we got it all cut in. We have those very large expansion joints filled. They were very wide, very deep, but they're all filled in now. Repaired a pretty good sized crack. Detailed everything in. Went underneath the cabinets, so they'll look like they're sitting on top of the floor. And today's color chip is gonna be dolphin. Okay, we're all finished here. Just finished the top coat. You can see all the details. We're able to get chips underneath these cabinets, so it looks like it's sitting on top of the cabinets. Or rather, the cabinets are sitting on top of the floor. Did some repairs over here. The expansion joints all filled in, sanded and filled. This garage didn't actually have a regular apron. It had it like sort of where it just faded off into the driveway. So it was very easy to just chip that in with the rest of the floor. Looks good.